This is my new seat. He loves it. Look, Sugar. Whoa. See, I like that little bowl. I like that red bowl. You like it, don't you, honey? And look, that moves. Benjamin. Hi, Sugar. You like that, huh? Here's a teether. Look, look, Benjamin. And this spins. So when you get tired of one toy, we spin it to the next toy. But you love that little red bowl, don't you? Yeah. Benjamin, look at Mommy. See, I'm busy, Mommy. I'm playing.